Manchester has always been a city of power, industry, innovation, progress. But long before organized crime hid in shadows, Manchester's violence lived openly on its streets. In the late 1800s, one area became so dangerous it earned the name Hell upon Earth. This was Angel Meadow, and from it emerged one of Manchester's earliest street gangs. They were called the Quality Street Gang. The Quality Street Gang didn't deal drugs, they didn't run businesses, they didn't launder money. They defended streets because those streets were all they had. Manchester at the time was overcrowded, polluted, and brutal. Families lived stacked on top of each other. Disease was common. Work was scarce. Young men formed gangs not for profit, but for protection, identity, and fear. Their name came from a single road, Quality Street. Not a brand, not a joke. A warning. Violence was constant. Weapons were crude. Razors, knives, belts wrapped with buckles, bricks torn from the street fights weren't hidden. They happened in daylight, in front of witnesses. Police reports and newspapers named the gang openly. Everyone knew who they were, and everyone feared them. But the Quality Street Gang didn't last. They didn't collapse overnight. They were worn down. Police cracked down harder. Slums were demolished. Communities were broken apart. Then came the final blow. World War I. By 1914, the streets emptied. Young men went to war. Others went to prison. Many never returned. The gang didn't evolve. It vanished. But the conditions that created it didn't. They changed. Today, gangs don't fight openly in the street. They don't need to. The modern equivalent isn't a street gang, it's county lines gangs. The violence still exists, but it's quieter. Territory still matters, but now it's supply routes, not pavements. Young people are still recruited, but now they're exploited. Where the Quality Street Gang wanted. Respect, fear, control of the street-county lines want. Money, distribution, silence, the brutality never left. It learned how to hide. Then violence was chaotic and public. Now it's targeted and controlled. Then gangs ruled streets. Now they rule networks. Manchester didn't lose its gangs. It professionalized them. The Quality Street Gang is gone. But their legacy isn't. It lives on in exploited teenagers, hidden drug routes, and a criminal underworld that thrives on silence, different streets. Different rules, same darkness. This has been Real Dark Myths. If you found this disturbing, good. History should be. Like, follow, and remember, history never really dies. It just changes its name.